Hello, friends, and happy December 2nd. I know that our Christmas angel that sent us our challenge yesterday challenged us to make our own Christmas chain countdown. Some of you messaged me and said that you were a little confused on how to do that, so I'm going to show you. Okay, so the first thing you need is just some paper. It can be any paper. I know some of us are learning from home, and so it's hard with materials that you have at home. Please make sure you are going to be cutting this paper, so make sure you check with your adult to make sure it's okay to use that paper, but it can be any paper. And if all you have is some white paper and you want to add color, what you can do is after you cut the strips, you can color it any color that you want. But for the purpose of this video, what I have here is some construction paper. So I'm going to use my green construction paper right now, but again, use any paper that you want. You will need something to put it together. So you have three options. If you have glue, you can glue it. If you have some tape, you can use tape. You, my friends, can also use a stapler to put it together. Okay, so let me show you what you're going to do. You're first going to take your paper and you're just going to cut strips. Now today we learned that we have 23 days until Christmas. So you need 23 strips of paper. So all I'm doing is I'm holding my paper and I'm cutting like a strip and it ends up like this. Okay? So if you're using just plain white paper and you don't want it just white, I think white would be beautiful. I think that would remind me of the snow and winter. So you can totally leave it white. But if you're like, oh, Miss Rudolph, I want to add color, take your strip and just color it the color that you want. Now, my Christmas chain that we've been using during our morning meeting is green and red because those are the colors of Christmas. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I'm only going to go ahead and attach 5 rings together to show you, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and just use my tape. But again, you can use a stapler if you have a stapler. You can also glue it. It's the same thing. Just use whatever you have around the house. So what you need to do first is take one of your strips. So I have one of my pieces of paper that I cut. And I'm going to put it in the shape of a circle, like a ring, okay? And then what I am going to do is I am going to take my tape and I'm just going to attach it. So now you have a ring, okay? That's one of the days. Then you're going to take another strip of paper and you're going to put it through, fold it into the circle, the ring shape, and then you're going to tape it, glue it, or staple it. Okay, and again, I'm using tape, but use what you can at home. So see, now they're attached. Okay, then you take the next, put it through, hold it so it's another ring, and then get your tape and tape it so now you have 3. Do it again. Okay, easy breezy lemon squeezy, and I'm going to do one more because you don't need to see Miss Rudolph doing all 23. You can go ahead and get started on yours if you want to do this challenge. So that's all you do. So again, just to recap, you need scissors, you need some papers that an adult says that you are allowed to cut, and then you need something to attach the rings. It can be tape, a stapler, or some glue, okay? You're going to cut some strips, just cut, cut, cut. Just cut, 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 and then you're going to attach it to make a ring, and then attach the other ones. And then you have your beautiful countdown. And remember, today is December 2nd, which means we have 23 days until Christmas. So you need 23 rings, and then tomorrow you can start taking them off. So I hope you are having fun seeing what challenges our Christmas angel brings. I know I am having fun. So I hope you take this challenge and that you do it. So yesterday our challenge was to make a Christmas countdown, and today's challenge, I just want to remind you to do something to help your family, to do a chore to help your family. So that could be grandma, grandpa, aunt, uncle, sister, brother. If you see them cleaning up their kitchen, for example, and you typically don't help with that, maybe today you can lend a helping hand. Because remember, this is a time for Advent. We need to really focus on being kind and helpful and loving while we're waiting for the birth of our King Jesus. All right, friends, thank you so much. I hope this video helps. And let me know if you need any help with anything else. Happy Advent. See you later.